Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the source is clean and has about -6 dB headroom. This prevents masking when you raise quiet parts. Once done, place the upward compressor after any gain staging or noise reduction so it only affects intended material. Next, set a low threshold and a gentle ratio around 1. 5, 1 to 2, 1 with a fast attack of roughly 1 to 10 milliseconds. This lifts quieter details while keeping peaks intact. This immediate action gets you audible results without destroying dynamics. Now focus on the middle of the chain where tone and timing matter. You should adjust the release so it follows phrasing, around 100 to 500 milliseconds for vocals, shorter for percussive material. This controls how long lifted audio stays up. Then use makeup or output gain carefully and measure loudness with LUFS or RMS so you don't overcompensate. Finally, mix the effect using dry/wet or a parallel bus to retain natural dynamics. This keeps the lift audible without sounding squashed or artificial. Finish by comparing bypassed and active signals to confirm the lift improves clarity without adding noise. Listen at realistic mix levels and on several speakers or headphones. If different song sections need distinct lift, automate threshold or output gain so quiet verses get more help than loud choruses. If you hear pumping, unnatural breathing, or artifacts, reduce the ratio and lengthen the attack slightly. Make sure to check the sidechain input and any high-pass filtering so low-frequency energy isn't causing unwanted triggering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.